opportunity for a rebound. Complete 2 shots on Yanni. Lapit to lumay lugar. Baseball pass. To the kick. Don't fall. 2 points. Able to bring a win. Lead on the front from Dean Shuttleworth. It's not a bad football. The up is the ball number 2, 15 Shuttleworth. The up is the football baseball pass again. And now 2 points. Ball spotted in the seconds. The seconds again. Atrasado 15 seconds, ball spotted to the seconds. Ricky Shuttleworth dengan apa bisa bisa digunakan pemain. Di bawah nomor 2. Dilakukan buat jumper Novak. Dia mau melakukan football dan lumayan super. Almost identical jumper Novak. Dia mau melakukan satu. Jadi kalau setas, tahan Faris Montreal again, di bawah Rian. Lalu military Ayani warning is concerning the shooter. Ayani 2 points. Ayani no good. Rebound ball number 2. Number 10. Sama on the foul. Seconds. 40 seconds. We got number 7 to seconds. 14 shot clock. Shot clock. Again, the word shot clock. 5 seconds. 2 points. Check shot. Bagus to Ayani, hindi shot clock. Ayani pull up jumper, 2 points. Deep shot like down to the rebound. The red feedback again, 2 points. That is so again. Well, it's not on 10. We've been looking to do 7. 11 floating with no gun. Then shot like on the Saba again. Keeper violation. Timeout. Team. Matos Mars for Angel again. Paris Black. Eagle Kagas 14 shot clock. Kagas floating 2 points. Down to the rebound. That is so again. 15 shot clock again using the glass no again. They don't pull up again. Out of bounds, Sable. 14-second shot clock. Shot clock 14 seconds. Down again to Matos. To Bagasa. Bagasa for Angel again. Put back to Kenya, going in, whistle back. Last room, ready for rebound. Richard Gay, number 14. Rebound Kenya, going in, put back. Ayani 2 points. Boston whistle back. Penalty substitution. Timeout Team Lotate. Pilapil number 7, third personal foul. Awarded to Ayani number 23. Complete 2 shots again. Shot clock 19 seconds. 4 seconds. Arsenal Kagas, Bristol pass. They go number 3 again. That was quick back to the game. Ikaw again. 15 shot clock. They let it go again. Rebound to Saba. 11-40. Starting points to Lapin cars for Trino again. Rebound to the 3 bigyan na Bristol pass to the 3 again to the customer set. That is the way. rookie shot clock. 50 seconds. Ball stolen. Sussing with that, number 31, 10, 2-4. 30 seconds. Again with Matos. Matos fires no good. Rebound pass number 14. This will pass by number 31 to Sussing. Sussing 2-4. Ball stolen, 10 seconds. 5 seconds, no good.